Google Labs has just come out with Whisk, which is sort of like an image compiler, is how I describe it. Apparently, it's an experiment to see how AI combines styles and subjects when generating images. So we're going to take a look at this. My name is JI, by the way, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm just going to do a quick run through of this. As you can see, we've got a few templates here. We've got plushie, enamel pin, and sticker. You can also add your own images. What I'll do, I think, is click start from scratch, actually. Then I'll re-upload my image here. That. Okay, cool. In terms of scene, I'm gonna go with a cafe in Paris. In terms of style, I'm gonna go with a futuristic, action-packed comic. Let's go, urban comic. Cool. Sweet, and you can also just add some more by clicking this dice button, I think. So if I click that, we can add a few more. Well, that looks like a cool style. In fact, I'll go with this style instead of the cafe. I think this was the comic. Let's see. Okay, cool. This looks pretty cool. I think I'll go with this instead. Let's see what this gives us. Okay, cool. Nice. This is very interesting. Yeah, it's definitely kept to the style. I think this could be used for quite a few things, especially the design aspect. And what I'll actually do, because this looks so cool, is I think I'm gonna use this to actually create a thumbnail for this YouTube video. So the thumbnail for this YouTube video is gonna be something I've created using this platform. And in fact, let's try and create it right now. So I quite like this aesthetic. And what I'll do is I'll say remove all text, add new text that says Google, this in speech marks, Google Whisk. Let's see what this gives us. This kind of reminds me of yeah, I'm not quite sure how to describe it, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm not sure why it says Sunshine Cafe, but I didn't put that in there, and it doesn't look like it's sort of listened to my prompt to remove all text. So what I think I'll do is I'll just say cool, remove all text, just leave that on its own, and then I could just add some text using Canva or Adobe Express. Okay, we've still got the text in there. Okay, maybe I need to click refine and see how this goes. Okay, so it looks like I need to click on one I particularly like and then click refine. Okay, sweet. I didn't even know that. I'm just using this pretty much for the first time. So what I'll do is I'll refine this one. I'll just say remove all text and add Google. I'll just say add text that says Google Whisk. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I mean, it hasn't removed this text, but it has added Google Whisk, like very, very small in the background. Oh, I think this was actually already there, which is quite interesting. Yeah, maybe it was, oh yeah, it was already there before, but it was really small. Okay, cool. That's interesting. So it has added the text, but yeah, I kind of want it to be bigger. So what I'll say is, let me go back in here, go back to refine, and what I'll say is, make sure the text Google Whisk is, let's say, is large and legible. Let's see how this goes. So this platform itself is still experimental, and I'm just doing a quick sort of trial of this. It's all completely free, but it's only available in certain regions around the world. So let's see. Okay, I think it's tried to do some text here, but it hasn't really worked. I think what I'll do instead is I will just add the text saying Google Whisk on here. But this looks like it's a pretty cool way to start off like a thumbnail creation. I think I'll definitely be using it for creating thumbnails. Let's see what other sort of styles we can generate. Let me go back to this cafe in Paris and we'll use that instead. Let's see how this works. Yeah, I think this is definitely what I'm going to be using for. Oh wow, this is super cool. I really like this. this is definitely what I'm going to be using for thumbnails moving forward. Yeah, this is super cool, especially these. These are really, really fresh. Okay, cool. Well, that's it for today. Everyone, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, please make sure to like, subscribe if you like this sort of content. And if you want to get ahead with AI, if you really like this sort of content, make sure you join my school community where I post the latest developments that I discover first. So everything always goes on my school community first before I post it on any other channels. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, take care.